Hello everyone, Rich here, and if you like video analysis, do not forget to like this video or let me know in the comments. Here we have a quick but detailed update on EURUSD. As we all know, we are looking for sell setups since price is sitting around a strong resistance as per my last analysis, knowing that price can still test the previous swing high to get more liquidity to be able to push price lower, right? But since price is sitting around the resistance, we'll be looking for sell setups starting from here, as mentioned, knowing that price can still go up before going down. That being said, we'll zoom into lower time frames and monitor price action to look on where to sell Euro USD. If we zoom into H4 time frame and let's zoom out to the max to see that the entire trend is currently bullish, right? But I know many traders are looking for buy setups around here as a trend following setup, which I don't personally like, or it's not as per my trading style, as I don't like to buy when the price is overextended. So it's like you are looking for buy setups around here, right? So even though we know that price can still hit the take profit of our buy, but it's not our trading style, at least my trading style. So that's why we'll be looking for sell setups around here, and if price manage to test this area, we'll be looking for new sell setups to fall, right? And regarding buy setups, I will not look for buy setups around here. Instead, I'll be waiting for price to approach this lower brown trend line and look for trend following buy setups. And I prefer that this retest would be around here. The further it is from this resistance, the better. So if we've got a buy setup around here, would be better than having this one around here, as would be buying around resistance. So for now on EURUSD, I'll be looking for sell setups, even though I know that price can still break it upwards and reach this area or even this over what I call overbought area before going down and then buy. So in this case, if price breaks our resistance upward aggressively, then as usual it will become support and we'll be looking for buy setups on its retest. So long story short, on EURUSD, let me delete these ones. We'll be looking for sell from here, then buy from here. And if price breaks it upward, then we'll be looking for sell from here, then buy from here. Okay, so for now, let's zoom into lower time frames and look for potential sell setups as mentioned previously. If we zoom into to M30 or even H1 for a better view, we can see that as per my last analysis, pictures and videos analysis, I was waiting for a new swing to form around here, which is exactly what happened. So we now have an objective, or what we call an objective and valid trend line, by connecting at least 3 blue dots or 3 swing lows. So now our trend line is valid, but we are still overall bullish from a short-term perspective, right? We don't want to sell when the price is overall bullish. As you can see, price is trading inside this rising channel. So it wouldn't be a good idea to sell just yet. As I always say, do not try to catch the exact tops and bottoms. Always wait for extra confirmation, and extra confirmation. That's why I'll be waiting for price to break the previous swing low. As you can see, it's making high lows, right? So here's our last low that's formed around the trend line, what I call the last swing standing, because it's the last swing standing around the lower trend line. So, as mentioned before, I'm waiting for a momentum candle close below this area to sell your USD with our stop loss above the last swing high, as we always do, and we target a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, as you can see, at 2 to 1 risk to reward, and as price approaches our lower brown trend line, which acts as a non-horizontal support, we'll be looking for buy setups, right? So for now, let's take it step by step. First of all, we're waiting for this movement, then we will sell. We'll not sell now, okay? So as price, as mentioned before, can still break it upward and for the bulls to take full control, and then our upward movement would be expected till where? Till around our red resistance or even the overbought trend line in brown. So that's it for USD. I'll be waiting for this one. Meanwhile, as I always say, until the sell is activated, your USD would be overall bullish and can still trade higher and higher. But since it's sitting around resistance, we will be looking for sell setups. Good luck, and I'll see you on the next one.